Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am here your Islamiyat teacher Miss Nida Majeed, and today our topic is, did it simply happen? Students, we have a lots of questions regarding this topic. For example, who made the sun, moon, stars and every single and small things of this world? Who and how create this universe and why? Did it simply happen? So definitely we all knows about that who is our creator. Definitely Allah, our great creator. Say Subhanallah when you see something beautiful or great. This means glory to be Allah. Allah is the Arabic word for God. It means the one God for we worship. Allah is Al Khaliq, the creator. Allah is Al Musawwir, the shape maker. Allah is Al Bari, the inventor. Allah is self existent and self sustaining. His essence is completely different from the essence of His creation. On the other hand, Allah Almighty is the all perfect. Allah is not subject to any imperfection. This perfection is the import of the positive and negative attributes of Allah's being. Living witnesses to Allah's existence. Let us look at the situation from a different angle. If steel girders, bags of cement, iron rods, sand, and mortar were emptied at a construction site, would you expect a building to take shape and rise up on its own without a plan or without engineers and bricklayers? You would say that it's impossible. Could then the sun and the moon, the sky, and its miraculous laws have all appeared by chance? Just consider who has taught the birds to break out of eggs? Who guides the migratory birds to cross vast oceans and continents for their survival? Who guides them to move on the right path? Who helps the butterflies go through the changes called metamorphosis? A study of the creations of Allah compels one to believe in His might and majesty. The signs of Allah are manifest everywhere in nature. Further, our own senses of consciousness stands as a living witness to Allah's existence. Each one of us possesses an awareness of right and wrong. This awareness accuses us when we do something wrong. Where this awareness come from? Definitely this is given to us by Allah. Dear students, there are 99 names of Allah Ta'ala called Asmaul Husna. Now we will discuss about Satan. Satan's envy. Satan is an open enemy of man. He always tries evil thoughts in man's mind. He always tries to get people to follow him. He takes people away from Allah. Allah's Messenger ﷺ is recorded to have said, "The Satan approached one of you asking, who created this? Who created that? Even asking, who created Allah?" When he reached that length, one should seek refuge in Allah and stop thinking about it. Whenever such bad thoughts are these invade our mind, we should give them a chase, saying, Amantu billahi wa rasulihi. Translation: I do believe in Allah and His messengers. After that, turn our intention to something useful. So students, I hope you will understand about Allah's creation. So now we will discuss about home task. Write the answer of given question in your copies. Question number 1. What is meant by Asmaul Husna? Question number 2. How many names does Allah has according to Hadith? Question number 3. What is the proper name of our Creator? After that, you will do research work. How do we know that Allah has every perfection? Search and describe some of His perfection. Thank you.